Hello, and welcome back to Chrury Streams. Human Resource Machine. So I did some thinking after last stream, and I'm fairly certain I was doing everything backwards. Click. On that really complicated sort. So I've got an idea, which I'm going to try out. And if I do it right, it should not take all that long to put in and finish. And then we can maybe finish the game today. Let's turn it on and get started. All right. Run up. Okay. So like I was saying, I think I was doing everything backwards. I had it being laid out, and then I was checking right to left. And I realized it's a lot simpler to check left to right, because you add up from 0. 0 is something you can always start with, and all that fun stuff. And I figured I conceptualized how to do the check. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have this number check itself against the next number. And if it's larger than the next number, we do a switch. If not, it will check against the next number and so on until it hits the 0. If it hits a switch, it will reset. So if I do a switch, then it will go back to this number, check it against this number, and so on and so forth. In this way, it will organize the lowest number here, and then the next lowest, etc. Until we get to a 0. Then when we have it ordered, we can outbox everything and restart. Unfortunately, that means all of this stuff that I did is not useless, but not useful, because it's backwards, and it's going to be a lot easier if I just remove a bunch of this and restart. I'm going to leave in... No, actually, even the outbox stuff. So this much here... This is the layout. We're going to just start removing stuff from this much here. Just so I get a clean slate and I can make my loops again. Alright. So here we have copy from 24 to 20 and 21. This is our counters. We can leave copy and end there if we need it. We might not need it, depending. And this is our nice loop. And I've left in my bumps because this bumps these numbers. Now I don't need to bump 20 because 20 is going to be my 0, my start location. I do need to bump 21 so that I know where the 0 is. But if I end up not needing that bump, I will remove it later. Okay, so now we have everything laid out. What we need to do is we need to copy from. So our first step is to copy from the value here. So on the first one, it's going to be 20, or it's going to be 0. So it's going to be whatever number is here. Then let's change, hang on, this to this, and this, and then this to this. 21 will be my +1 counter. So I do end up needing that thing, but I can first do... There. This sets it up so that this is 0, this is 1 for my first check. Okay. So we copy from... I just want to click on it, but I can't because it brings that up. We copy from here to, which is this value, right? And we're going to do a subtraction of 1. So we're going to go subtract. And since we're going to make this a loop, we're doing the value of this thing, right? Now, if this is negative, then we will do a jump up. Thinking this is work. If it's negative, that means that this number is smaller than this number. So we need to go to the next number. If it's positive, we need to do the switch between the two, right? So if positive, which is this next step here, we need to copy from 0, which is actually this value. Copy 2, copy from value here, copy to value there, from here, copy to there. And that's a swap. And after we do the swap, we do a jump back to here, like so. Now I'm interested to see how well this does. Now we need to do a check F0 on the second one. We have to do that every time, otherwise we'll mess up, because 0 is the terminated string thing. So we need to do that before we subtract. Or do we? If we subtract... Yeah, we do. So we need to do a jump F0 right here. And we need to copy from value this guy. And F0, that's when we yes. And then we can add in our little loop that is the placing everything into the outbox. And that's relatively simple. We've done this before. I'm going to like so. Yeah, we don't need the end in this set scenario. And otherwise, you outbox and jump. All right. This is significantly less steps than the optimization challenge. So let's see where things are going to go wrong. So I'll speed up for the initial... Okay, the layout was garbage for some reason. What's going on? That was the part that I thought I didn't touch. Oh, I didn't bump. I need to bump. Okay. Stop. There. Okay. Need to get our zeros back aligned here. Bonk and bonk. Okay. Alright, we're doing a switch. And there's our first switch. Good enough. It checks. Is it negative? Good. It is negative. Bump. F0? Ah, okay. Stop. Okay, so I need a loop back so that I can switch the 30 to now be the second number, right? So what I need to do is, where is that step going to be? Okay, so it successfully checks 30 against all of the numbers. Bump this one. And we check if it's 0. Aha! So here, this one needs to be So we're going to need another jump F0. Do we have... Okay, so this jump here needs to jump to a point where we bump okay, so back up here. I'm gonna add a jump here, like so. We're going to bump this value. We're going to copy this value to this value. And that's where my jump of 0 goes, right there. Now, it will keep going until it'll flip back. Now, unfortunately, there's no check if null, and right here, that's what I need to check. I need to check after this initial bump if that is a 0. And that's when I can come down to the... there. I think. Let's run this. Alright, so we've done our first swap successfully. We're now checking against the second number here. Alright, so now we're checking 82 versus 67. It found it to be larger. We are swapping them. It is now negative. Do a check. We found it to be 0. We check if that one is... ah. Okay, hang on. Stop. Yes, yes, I know that. I noticed the issue here. Ah, right here. I need to copy from the value of 21 to 0 in order to check it, because I'm not holding it. I did notice one little thing. This is a very minor thing, but jump F0. I am holding a 0, so I don't need to copy from 24. I can just use that 0 to perpetrate those two. So that saves me one step. just randomly. What I need to do was right here. I need to copy from value of 21. So I'm doing the 0 check there. And if that's true, we have reached the end of our thing, and we can do our... and actually, we don't need to... we can get rid of this one. Just copy it to 20, because it is a 0. And then we put our stuff away. Alright, try again. We do our first swap. Oh, stop, stop, stop. Erga, come on now. I think my jump of 0 was wrong. Ah, crud. I can't do it there. Because this is essentially the same thing as that down there. Shoot. I am so close. I need to figure out how to swap things around and only do a check F0 one time. Come on now. Come on. Erg. Okay, I need to bump 20 and use it to check if the next number is the 0. So what I do is so here at F0 we bump 20, we copy from 20, we copy to 21. Then I'm going to bump 20, copy from the value of 20, and if that's 0, that's when we jump to here. Otherwise, we bump minus 20, and yes? Okay, so I'm just gonna step through here real quick. So this is, we've reached our 0. You're going to bump 20, copy from 20. Okay, I don't need the copy from because bump automatically happens, so I can pull that out. Copy to 21. We're bumping 20, copying from 20. And if it is 0, we jump outbox, bump, copy, outbox, copy, box, zero, okay, we have successfully done the first string. I'm just going to play this and see if it works. I can see a couple things where I can eliminate some inefficiencies, like this copy from when it's bumping. I don't need that. And I can move this jump down to here because it's a 0. So, but yeah, let's run this and see what happens. So now we're going to put down our second string, right? Okay, now we're going to do our checks. Okay, we're going to do a swap. It's looking good so far. Let's speed it up a little bit here. Well, after we get this 0. Alright. Oh my gosh, I think we got it. I think we got it. Oh boy. Okay, I'm going to... It's a long, drawn-out process, but it is basically guaranteed to work. Or it should be guaranteed to work. That's how it's set up. I'm just a little worried to see what's going to happen with the string that is only 1 long. Oh, come on, really? Stop. Okay, we had a long string, and then we had a short string. So I guess I just need to put my 0 check in immediately. Where is... Okay. So right here, we copy to the value. And if it's 0, okay, now we're going to copy to 20, copy to this. We do our jump 21. Right. Copy from 21. Jump F0. Okay, it is 0. It goes here. We bump that. Copy, bump. I see. That's my issue right there. So this works for any string that is 2 units or longer. I need something that can check for strings of 1 unit length. Almost got this. Where can I do that check? Can I add in like a copy here be a little messy, but it might work. If I add in a copy from the value of... If I add in copy 20 and check F0, in this case, then I know that we have a 1 length string, and I can go immediately to the other one. So right here at 10, I'm going to try that. Okay. Now I don't take... I can just move that there. And if that is 0, when that is 0, I can move this to... here. And I said I could move this here because I know that that's going to be F0, and I can copy the 0 to 20. Okay. Let's see if this kills me. So first we check if the... Nope. My jump there broke it. Jump. Right, I can't do that because it would terminate the string early. Okay, I could check it here, couldn't I? No, I can't, because that's what this is. That's my loop back to the beginning to change that stuff. How do I check if the string length is 1? Maybe? Stupid. I feel like I need to rearrange things, otherwise this isn't going to work. I am so close I can feel it, but that one stupid thing. Here, we do the check way before we do anything else. So let's see that initial check happen. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's 0. Copy that to this place. We check if it's 0. If it is not 0, then we can continue on. All right. All right, we have successfully done the first one. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get the second one. I'm gonna speed this up. Alright, looking good. Put this in there. Alright, let's do the check here. Alright, we're gonna put all the numbers down. Boop, boop, boop. Got a lot of numbers. Okay. All right. So this set does successfully do long swords. Now we need to make sure that it does a shorter sword. Just give it a second here to move all the numbers. Okay, moment of truth here. He's going to put all the numbers down. Almost. Almost. What happened? Let's see. Here. Jump F0. Okay. I got everything right except the final little bit here. I just need to move this up one space. That's all I need to do. And we're done. That is really nice. Let's see, if I copy from this, copy. Okay, so once more with feeling, that copies the 0 to that location, puts it out. And we just sit back and watch it finish. Now, it's not terribly efficient. I imagine it's not going to be terribly efficient in steps, and it's definitely not as efficient in length. But you know what? I feel okay about that. And yeah, this is really annoying at how long the puzzle is to check. Like, seriously. Look at him go. Aw, come on. Really? An infinite loop? Alright, hang on. I need to add one more little stupid check. Right here. If it's 0, we want to move on to the next step and it will work out. It should work out. Alright, so I need to add a jump F0. Right now this one is going here. Yes. I want to get to the next step, which is going to be... F negative or 0, we can move on. And I don't need this copy from because I'm bumping. I think. Yeah. I wish they had given me that 0 thing earlier. Like, having 2 of the same numbers earlier. Because now we have to go through all this again, and it was looking so great, too. Numbers here. I don't see any... Yeah, it doesn't look like any of these numbers are the same. So if I successfully do this, he might say, oh, it won't work. It might work with this, but it won't work with something else. Aren't you glad the computers are so much faster than this? Like, we wouldn't get anything done. Video games would be impossible if this was how fast computers actually work. Ah, I do see a 77. 2 70s here, so we'll see if I messed it up or not. looks good. Went on to the next one, as it should. And then it's just going to put these two 70s next to each other. Good enough. I'm going to slow it down here for the moment of truth in just a second. Oh, we actually had two there, and I didn't even notice. Two sets of two. Alright. Copy. Oh, finally done. Jeez. You can do that in 714 steps? Wow. I mean, I'm happy I got it at all. So, we're just gonna leave it at that, I think. Sweet. Alright. Now, we could say id program, and we will, but I got a few minutes left. Let's take a look at these two first, and maybe say we actually finished the game. Our users have been rating some of our hardware products with 1 star, with users' reviews citing, draws too much power and overheats, numbers are too complicated for test subjects, occasionally removes alarming volumes of skin from human users. So management has come up with a solution, to make the numbers smaller and easier to understand. There is no option for 0 stars, because research groups were found to be in disagreement about the nature of 0. Grab each number from the inbox, send its digits to the outbox. Okay. It's digits. Alright. So we're going to take the inbox, we're going to put it in store. And then we need to subtract 100 from it to see if it's larger than 100. I think I need my zeros. I need zeros. We will call this the ones. Tens. 100s. Alright, so inbox to store. We then subtract this number. And if it is negative, we jump over this. If it is positive, we are going to bump plus hundreds. And then jump back up here to that'll only work once. This is feeling like it's going to be very inefficient, but whatever. Jump if negative. If it's positive, we copy the number to mem. We bump this guy, and then we copy from mem again. Jump back up, subtract 100, and we keep going until that is negative, right? Then we do the same thing. If it is negative, we're going to copy from mem, subtract our 10s, if negative, jump, if positive, we copy to mem, bump plus our 10s, then we copy from mem again. And we jump. I just noticed that I can do this and not have to worry about that one. I notice also that I am not using store, so let's try moving that to there, this to here, and remove... No, actually that there, that there. Like so. Alright. And then if this last one is negative, we are now working on our ones place, which we just want to copy from mem. No, we don't even need that. What we need to do is then copy from hundreds, outbox, copy from tens, outbox, and then copy from memory. Outbox, jump back to I think. Let's see what happens. Three, okay. Ah, right. I need to do a check. It's easy enough. F0, we jumped here, and F0, we jump there. Looking good. Looking good. Yes. Six and 4. Then we quickly reset our zeros. And let's see if this number works. Okay. Well, since I'm not using the ones place here, I can just remove that copy to ones. Nice. Just speed this up a little bit here. Okay, so I get a fail solution to start with anyway. Let's get rid of this guy because I don't need it. 508, that's the strange one here. So why is that an issue? I unfortunately have to go through all of these. All of this first one. Okay. So it's initially going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aha. Yeah. I see. I see. So what happened here? The answer is 508. So what I need to do here is a copy from the hundreds and as long as the hundreds is not 0, I need to copy both the hundreds and the tens regardless. So, well, I can just do a copy from tens outbox and then jump to here. That's fine. Boop. I think. Okay. All right. That'll do. Hey, I got this. I beat the size challenge. Unfortunately, that means I did not beat the speed challenge, but whatever. All right, technically the last one. We'll see what happens. Are you sure you're supposed to be here? This is a very difficult assignment. I have no idea how to do it either. What are prime factors? I have that written down here somewhere. They are the unique list of prime numbers that multiply together to result in a given number. What are the prime factors of 6? 2 and 3. What are the prime factors of 8? 2, 2, and 2. What are the prime factors of 5? 5. Nope, no. I will do this one off stream. There's a lot of finagling about it. I can figure out the math in my head, but telling this simple computer how to do it, not so much. So let's just leave this one for you guys if you happen to get this game at some point. You can figure out Prime Factory on your own. But for now, end program.
Congratulations. You've really become an invaluable instruction follower.
Yes, don't worry, your job is safe. We've replaced you with this electric box.
It's called a computer. It iterates through a list of simple instructions, called a program.
It has a small amount of memory to store data while processing, like tiles on the floor.
It has inputs
and outputs.
Its simple instructions can be used together in infinite combinations to compute just about anything you can imagine.
A truly efficient worker that never sleeps.
It's going to change everything.
Please take your things and enjoy whatever it is you people do out there. Congratulations.
Ah. This has been Human Resource Machine. Played by me, Chrury. Created by these fine fellows. Starring Alice, Betty, Carol, Boss Man, Boss Lady, and various translators. And thank you, watcher, for watching. And that'll do it for today. I will check out that last puzzle by myself. Tune in next time when we do something a little more exciting, perhaps. Or perhaps not. Tomorrow I am guest starring on Phoenix online stream. We shall see what happens there. So yes, this has been Chrury Streams Human Resource Machines. Thank you for watching. Hope you had some amount of amusement or fun watching, and cheers. Yes, cheers.